If this 1 to 2 looks confusing to you, don't worry, we're going to get right into it. Valid shocks, valid sweeps, valid shocks, valid liquidity, pre-market liquidity, everything. Everything you could cover is in this small little scalp, this small little 1 to 2 here. And as you guys could see, it was a scalp. And yes, I did take this on a live account. Without further yapping, let's get right into it. As you guys could see, I get into my office here at about 8 o'clock. So the first thing I observe is this big old break of structure here. And pre-market, I am obviously just looking for market direction and possible setups I could take. So I am expecting price to trade bearish right now. When I observe this small order block not get broken significantly, again, price should break significantly, I'm going to label this a sweep and look for this high to then either reject for our break of structure or change character, and then I could look for longs on the day. So it's that simple. Let's look, how does price react to these highs? And this is where the video gets important. So if you watch this long, comment TA in the comments below. As you can see, we finally got our change of character, and now I do expect price to just retrace down to this order block. And we also observe that price did get some resistance here at these highs, and this is going to come into play in a second here. As you guys could see, price is respecting this order block here, and again, price did not impulsively push past highs here from this order block, but rather it impulsively pushed past this chalk after getting minor resistance here. So we do have a valid now support zone that we could look for our break, and that's exactly what I did. And now guys, this is the icing on the cake, the whole video. As you guys could see, we observed that this order block was respecting for a while, and if price was to continue bullish, we should have broke past this high, but we didn't. We swept this high, and then we broke that low that respected that order block. So I mark that as an internal chalk. And I still, again, am looking for price to come down into this order block and test this order block. It is 919 here, and we have this low sitting right above this unmitigated order block, creating a nice pre-market low with liquidity here. And if we're just going with our most recent price action, we have our sweep, our failure to break highs. We have an internal change of character here, and now market open. We just target that order block, last bearish, last bullish, set up the trade, nice 1 to 2R, and again, we're just targeting nice 1 to 2, not getting greedy, just going for that pre-market low. As you guys could see, we tap in here, creating liquidity now right here, taking out that pre-market low. And again, the reason I didn't target this low immediately is because what if price reacted from this order block that changed character and then pushed price up past this high, which as you guys could see here, we almost tap into that order block. We then go sweep out liquidity on the greedy that held for these lows, and then we sweep out the greedy and go get that bigger break of structure. But boom, that's all I had to do for my 1 to 2. Super easy, super simple. It's late, so this video is probably scuffed. Looks pretty scuffed. I might not even upload this. But this trade, this simple 1 to 2, had everything in it. Sweeps, chalks, fake outs, pre-market liquidity, everything. So if you enjoyed this technical analysis, like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends that suck at trading. All right, guys. Peace out.